how to convert JPEG to PNG. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So you'll need to go to our website to convert a JPEG to PNG. For that, open up your Google Chrome browser and then on the search bar, search for JPEG to PNG. Tap on it and then tap on the first link, and here you'll find uploads file option. Go ahead and tap on it. So now you'll need to go ahead and choose the image. So I want to convert this, so I'll tap on it and hit open. And now I just have to hit download right here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.